Hi everyone, welcome back to series of comparator interface. So let's test it. You can see here it's working as like earlier. So now let's go with this. If you need to compare on the basis of two different parameters of that employee, let's say two employee name is equal, then maybe you have to uh, compare on the basis of salary in that case. Okay. So for that you have to create this function, and then if you will go for creating the comparator as like earlier, it will give you compile time error. Why? Because you can see still we have hard coded. This is not generic one. So we have to make this generic one. So what should be here? We can pass. There could be one way we can copy this and create another similar method by passing the integer, but in generic that actually doesn't allow, so you have to go with similar like this. Let's say you, and for that you have to also mention in here. Now you can be uh, type of comparable, then only you can perform the comparison. Okay, because why string allow you, as I earlier mentioned, string allow us to comparison or compare to, because it has already implemented this interface. So whatever we are going to put here, that would be the child of, or that would be implement the comparable. Okay, so how we can do that? This should be extend comparable. Okay, like this. Now let one more things, comparable actually also a generic type. What should be here? Let's see again. Let's go with string. That would be clear. String. So if you can see string here and incomparable string, and in similar fashion if you will check the integer, let me make it integer. Okay, if you will go here, you can see integer here are inside this comparable integer here. It means that whatever inside this comparable, that would be the similar type of that class. So in our case you can see we have mentioned the u here, so same u should be go inside this comparable. Okay, now it seems okay. So what would be the value here? Now value would be uh, this value return the u, because what would be the return type of function? U. So just remove it, string from u, string from u. So let's make it e1 and u2 like this. Okay, so just make e1 compared to u2. Okay, why it's giving the still error? Okay, let me check. Compare button, comparing function. One, extend. Okay, u extend the comparable. Oh, sorry. This was should be the comparable instead of comparable. Okay, now it's okay. So let's run it again with our compile time error should be go away. Yeah, now it's okay. So let's put other condition here. For that, let's put some similar maybe here 5, let's say, okay. So 20,000, 20,000, let me make 23,000, okay. Name should be, name would be equal in this case, but salary, James has the bigger salary than this, so E4 would be the greater than E5, okay, as per our this comparator, okay. Let me put E4, E5. So what would be the value? E5, E4 is greater, so E4 is greater than, so E5, so both should be true in this case. Let's run it. Yes, see this, okay. It means that our second comparator, this comparing method, is working fine. So I guess that's all for this video we have covered. So in next video we will cover the composing the two comparator together with the help of then comparing method. So as like you can see here, let me show quickly, then comparing. So with the help of then comparing, we try to implement a similar type of feature in our comparator, okay. So that's all for this video. Bye bye.